In today's video, we are going to redesign Dribbble website, and you are going to see that with some tweaks to the layout and composition, we can make it look way better. Let's rock and roll. Hey friends, you're watching DesignSense. I'm excited to tell you that we have started a new series in which we will redesign poorly designed website. We wish you to be part of this challenge. We will review your entries as well as ask for your feedbacks too. So, today we will redesign this website. As you can see, this website is outdated, cluttered, and crowded. Plus, it is text heavy, but the readability is compromised. So, the goals to redesign this website are design fundamental, hierarchy, color, type, layout, content, and overall aesthetics. Important web page elements, messaging, visualization, and effective CTAs. Some of our students have participated in this challenge. We really appreciate their dedication and efforts. Unfortunately, due to time shortage, we cannot review their entries for now, but in future we will. This video is sponsored by LS Graphics. LS Graphics is a platform where you can download top-notch free and paid mockups, illustrations, and UI kits. For this video, we will use Figma. You can use whatever tool you are comfortable with. Let's start with a frame. We can choose a preset here. For us, we are going to start with the desktop, which is 1440 by 1024 pixel. First of all, we will set a grid layout for our project to define our boundaries. Click on that small plus button. Change the grids to columns. There are millions ways to do this, by the way, but this time we will do this in 12 columns and we will keep 100 pixel margin on the sides. Maybe the red color is a little bold. We will change this to light blue. Now, we will mocking up the low-fidelity wireframe in which we will organize our content inside our page. Create a rectangle for the navigation bar. This is very low fidelity wireframe, a quick mockup, so we don't have to worry about getting our pixels, fonts, and every single element exactly perfect. We are just going to move rapidly to get stuff on the page. Create another copy of this rectangle by holding Shift and Alt key and drag it down. And it will be a little lighter. This will be our hero section. Here will be our dummy headline, but it is recommended to put real titles and text in the wireframe that your client has provided to you. The title in the hero section should be bolder and bigger than the rest of the text in the web page because it is the most important part of messaging. The messaging should be followed by a clear CTA button. Our goal is to make the user take immediate action after convincing them through strong messaging. And we need an appropriate hero image on the right to complement our messaging. For that, we will make a placeholder just like that. Let's move to the second section. I want to organize these content in 2 columns on the page. On the left, we will put our articles, which are priority, and on the right, we will put categories, tools, books, and other contents. In the older website, they have put the content in 3 columns, but it looks crowded. Here will be the article heading. And also we need an image for each article. On the right will be the About Info section. We will leave 1 column of space between these content. It will be a little lighter. Here will be the dummy text for the paragraph. We will just put lorem ipsum text for now by using this plugin. And here will be a separator for likes, comments and social media buttons. And here we will add some info about Steve Blank. Here will be our categories. You can find these categories on the side right here. And here will be the screenshot and buying links of authors' books. And finally, this box will be for the tools. You can find the links of these tools in the navigation bar. Now, we want more placeholder for other articles. By just creating a copy, we will edit it a little bit. After that, we will add some page numbers like this. Now, here we will add again a section for the subscription field before footer. And finally, here will be our footer section. Let's hide those grids for now. This is our low-fidelity wireframe. And also I have already prepared a style guide and collected some data from their site to save our time. Let's create another artboard for our high-fidelity wireframe. Delete all those elements from the page. Turn on grids again. Our background color will be very light gray. So create a rectangle for the hero section. We will keep 100 pixel space in between elements to have consistency in our design. We will draw some light gray lines around that black rectangle to give it a unique touch. Now we will add a logo or the name of the author in the navigation bar. Change the font to Space Grotesque. 30 pixel. And change the color of the dot to that crocus purple. So here we also need some nav links. Select the text tool, home. Size will be 18, regular, and aligned to the logo. Drag to the left with holding Shift and Alt key. About Steve. Slide and videos. We are not adding fundraising and tool links because we will add these in the right sidebar, but the secret history will. Here we will make a small search icon with the help of ellipse tool and the line tool, just like that. Group it together by pressing Ctrl G and rotate it a little. Select all these links and distribute it in equal horizontal spacing. And on the left side we will add social media icons, but first we will make blocks for the icons. Create a circle with the size of 50 into 50 pixel. Make it white. And the border size 2 pixel and will be light gray. We need 5 blocks. Drag it up with holding Shift and Alt key, then press Ctrl D. Here we have some plugins in Figma from where we can import icons easily. So we need a Facebook icon, just search like this here. And drag that to the page or press their import button. And this way you can search for whatever icon you need. Now we will place these icons in those blocks in the same sizes. Now we will design the hero section. Here we need the hero heading, the CTA and the hero image. Select the text tool, author, Stanford professor and thought leader behind the lean startup movement. The font size will be about 48 pixel. And it will be bold. And we will increase the line height a little. 68 is fine. Also we need a link here. Steve blank. Make the color purple. And we will make it underline for emphasis. Now I want to add a new style here, as we are underlining the text on the page with the help of pen or pencil. But here we will make exactly that thing with the help of pen tool, just like that. The line color will be purple and size will be about 4 pixel. It's look pretty good now. And here we will add a call to action for the newsletter as we decided earlier. Select the text tool, subscribe to get our newsletter. Create a rectangle for the email field. Make it unfill and the stroke will be white and the size will be 2 pixels. Need to add the hand text. Enter your email address. create another copy for the CTA button. And the width of this button will be about 200 pixels. But it will be filled and the color will be the purple color. Now for the hero image, I have already downloaded one of Steve Blank image from Google. You can download any of them. For removing background, we have a plugin in Figma, Remove BG. Just select the image and click on Run, and this will remove your background. That's it. But the image is still not properly cropped. We can also use Photoshop for the best result. We can remove the background here with a few clicks. Go to Help, Photoshop Help, Remove Background, and Apply. But I don't want to crop that area. Ctrl Z. We will use Quick Selection tool for adding that area to the selection. Then add to the mask. Now save the image as PNG. This is a little bit smooth. Increase the size about 570 pixels. Now we need some alignment in the hero section. We have completed our hero section. Now we will move to the second section, in which we will start from the articles. As I have already copied data from their site to my notes, so we will directly copy their text and we will sterilize it here, and we will do the remaining parts a little faster. Here will be our first article, fundraising. Change the font to Space Grotesque. This will be the posting date for the article. And here we also need an image. I have downloaded this image from Unsplash. The link is given in the description. But there is also a plugin available in Figma for Unsplash photos. Just crop it a little bit. And increase the size about that much. And here will be our sidebar. And we will copy that paragraph also. Decrease the line height to about 30 pixels and the size will be 18 pixels. Change the text from title case to lowercase. I'm hiding the grid for now to see it clearly. We need a separated line for likes, comments, and share buttons. It will be also in light gray color. Yes, we have forgotten an important thing here, the read more button. Make it purple. Change the font to Space Grotesque. But we also need a small arrow for this button. Let's customize this arrow. Make that circle unfill. The stroke size will be 2 pixels and also change the color to purple. Then double click on the circle, delete those 3 anchor points, rotate it. Create another copy of this. Add a line to the arrowhead like that. So here is our arrow ready. So as we know, this is a pinned post, therefore we will add pinned post text here. And we will add an icon also here. Go to plugins, open Iconify, and search for pins. And just simply drag that icon to the page and change the color. We will continue our style here also for underlining the text that we did before. Again, we will use the pen tool. Make the stroke caps rounded. It looks really nice. Now finally we will add these 3 buttons for likes, comments and sharing. So the first will be clapping. Actually I'm using this instead of likes. Same thing, different names. And we will definitely add icons to the buttons. Just open that plugin again and search for clapping. Similarly, we will do for others like this. Let's speed it up. Now we will add 100 pixel space from the hero section to keep consistency in our design. It's time to design our sidebar for about info, categories, books and tools. Make it white and the border will be very light gray. Let's make a box for the header and it will be light gray. About Steve. This will be the title. First, we will add a profile image here. We will make a placeholder for the image. Mark the image to that rectangle. Double click on the image and resize it about that much. So we need a short paragraph. We can find that under About Steve in the navigation bar. Just open it and copy that by pressing Ctrl C and paste it here by pressing Ctrl V. And reduce the size of the text a little. And we will add the read more button here also. Similarly, we will make another block. And that will be for categories. We can find categories right here. There are lots of categories there, but I have copied some of them for now. Need some space between them. We will change the color of these numbers to purple. Actually, these numbers are showing topics in the categories. And here we need 2 more blocks for books and tools. Create another copy of this block. It will be a little longer. box, line to the center. I have downloaded these images from here. You can download from Google too in high resolution. Let's make equal placeholder and put those images in the placeholders. Let's speed it up. Create another box for the tools. We can find these tools here. Just copy that and paste it here. I think I would drag that icon. I'm just going to drag it again to the original place. Now we need a bullet point for each tool. Just copy from there. And align to each tool. Now it's time to move again to our article section. Create a copy of that article. Delete that image and ungroup it. And we will put that data similarly as we did before, and we will add different images for each article. Let's speed it up. We have completed our article section. Now we will add page numbers. Select the rectangle tool. Make it white, and the border will be purple for the active page. And the other number will be in gray color. And the last one will be the next button. Before the footer, we will add a section for a call to action. Make it black and drag that subscription feed here again. We will add our underline style to here. And finally, here will be the footer section. We will make it very clean and simple. First, we will add the logo. And we will underline it by using that style. Just like that. Then we will add nav links. And then we will add the social media icons. And we will distribute it horizontally here. Okay, that's one lesson down. We have covered a lot in this video. We have redesigned this website and I think it looks way better, balanced and readable. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Stick around.